Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter, that is the heredity and common genetic disease. And the first part of this one is the heredity. So first one, we have to know what is heredity. Heredity is the basically transformation of or transmission of parental character from one generation to the next generation through the genetical transmission or through the gene. So parental characters passing from one generation to the next generation is a one term in a one sentence is called heredity. Heredity aim, why heredity is important, why the transmission of parental character is important. So first one, that heredity maintain the continuity of life. Number two, it helps the species preserving in a nature. As in earlier classes, I already discussed that every living organism wants to survive on the earth and they want that their races should be there. That's why they reproduce. And this is the one of the method of preserving the characters from one generation to another generation. So definition is very important. You learn it properly from the book. Second one, heredity is if the passing of the character from one generation to another, then why should not we resemble exactly with our parents? We are not similar carbon copy of our parents. Even two siblings they are not even the carbon copy of their parents or the carbon copy to each other. This is possible for the variation. When the parental characters transfer from one generation to another generation, on that time there is a certain changes in the nucleotide sequence, which is called the mutation, and sometimes gene independently assort with the another pair. Different pairs for the different characters are present in our genetical sequence and genome sequence. And when the one gene paired with the another characteristic, having the same characteristic, another traits, then it is called the variation and it is called the mutation. So variation is depend on the mutation or the change in the genetical sequence. So first, now the next point we have to know is the mutation. What is mutation? Mutation is the permanent change of the nucleotide sequence of the genome of an organism. Means the permanent change in a DNA sequence of an organism. These change reasons are various. Either at the time of formation of DNA sequence or genome, which is called the genome, there is a certain part of the DNA sequence may be deleted. Some another part of DNA sequence may be added. Or there is the deletion or insertion of DNA sequence in the gene of the gene. This is the reason of the mutation. And the mutation sometimes favorable if is the base for the origin of new species, and sometimes it is harmful and it is maybe the harmful and threat for the survival of a species in the earth. As a term, we can conclude the mutation beneficial effect is the evolution. It's a long time taking process, but the variation is cumulative way form a new organism, which is called the evolution. And development of our immune system is also the one of the useful effect of the mutation. But harmful effect is the formation of cancer. It is one of the harmful effect of the mutation. When gene mutate and uncontrolled division takes place, then it is occurred. So these three terms you prepare: heredity, mutation and variation. And next in my video I will discuss the next topic.